Are you ready to experience a climate-controlled oasis like never before? Look no further than Total Line Heating and Air Conditioning Limited, your go-to air conditioning repair contractor in the beautiful city of North Vancouver. Picture this. You come home after a long day, ready to unwind in the perfect temperature, only to find your air conditioning on the fritz. What a nightmare! Don't fret, because we've got your back. At Total Line Heating and Air Conditioning, we're not just your average home service company. We're a passionate, family-run team that is dedicated to providing you with an extraordinary experience. Our mission? To elevate your comfort and ensure you receive nothing less than 5-star customer service. Need a new furnace to keep you cozy during those chilly winter nights? We're on it. Looking to install a state-of-the-art air conditioning system that'll have you feeling like you're living in an Arctic paradise, even on the hottest summer days? We've got you covered. But it doesn't stop there. Our team of expert technicians specializes in a wide range of services, including tankless water heater installation, hot water tank installation, boiler installation, and heat pump installation. Whatever your heating and cooling needs, we've got the expertise to deliver. We know that emergencies can strike at any moment. That's why we're always just a phone call away. Our fast and responsive service ensures that you'll never be left sweating or shivering for long. When you're in a bind, we're the heroes you can count on. And here's the best part. We don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. Our technicians are highly skilled and up to date with the latest industry standards, guaranteeing flawless installations and efficient results that stand the test of time. No unexpected breakdowns here. So, why settle for anything less than exceptional when it comes to your home's heating and cooling systems? Join the Total Line Heating and Air Conditioning family today and experience a level of comfort you've only dreamed of. Take the leap and turn your house into a sanctuary of perfect temperatures. Contact us now for all your air conditioning repair needs in the stunning city of North Vancouver.